Arts and Craft with Florence Nightingale. Good day, everyone. I am Florence Nightingale. I am a famous nurse. Today we will be making our very own friendship bracelets, inspired by my own bracelet made from my family's hair. This is my hair bracelet, which was gifted to me by my family as I went to the Crimean War. The band is woven from the hair of my father, mother, sister, and cousin. You will need 2 different coloured threads, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a button, and a clipboard. Let's begin. First, we need to measure out 120 centimetres of thread. Then cut using the scissors. Don't forget to ask a grown-up for help if you need it. Using the first thread as a guide, cut out another in the same size and colour. Then I want you to cut out 2 more in the other colour. You should have a total of 4 threads. You should now have 4 threads, 2 in one colour and 2 in the other. Bring the ends together and make sure they are even. That's it. Now we're going to fold the threads in half. Make sure it's still even. And we're going to tie a knot at the top to form a loop. Excellent. Now we don't want the loop too big or too small. It's good if it's just the same size as your button. So just make sure that your button fits through the loop. Now it's time to start our bracelet. Clip the loop into your clipboard. Now to separate our threads. Let's put one of our threads on one side to the left and the other thread on the other side. Now we're going to take our left thread over the other thread, then under and behind. Take the knot to the top. Now we're going to do the same in reverse. So take the right hand thread over, behind and under, and take the knot to the top. Let's see that again, shall we? It's almost like we're making the number 4 here. That's it, take the thread to the top. Very good. Let's see it one more time. Excellent. Now I want you to keep knotting until you've got a good length of knots. Should fit around your wrist. Let's just check, shall we? Excellent, it fits. Now we're going to tie 2 simple knots just to keep our threads from unravelling. Now take 2 threads of the same colour, so I'm going to take 2 pink ones here, and we want to thread these 2 through our button. Now if we get stuck, twist the ends of the thread to make it easier to thread through the buttonholes. That's it. Now also ask for a grown-up's help here if you get stuck. Excellent. Now pull through both of the threads and we're going to tie another knot to keep them in place. Now we're going to simply thread our threads back through the buttonhole to the back. Well done. Now let's tie a knot at the back to secure everything in place. Let's make sure it's a double knot so it doesn't come undone. Excellent. Now gather all your threads together and we're just going to trim the ends. Let's cut them nice and short, but don't cut into the knot. Well done. We've finished our hair bracelet. Let's see if it fits, shall we? Oh, fantastic! Look at that! Oh, I must make one for Parthenope as well. She'll love this. Marvellous. Well, I hope you've finished making yours. I've made a few here which I can gift to all of my friends. Why don't you try some different colours? Brilliant work, everyone.
It is rather lovely. Oh, excellent, lovely hair bracelets, everyone. Well done.